If your phone feels slow, laggy, or keeps running out of storage, don't worry today. I'll show you 3 free apps that clean junk files safely, without deleting anything important. No ads, no risky cleaners, just simple tools that actually work. Let's get started. Number 1. Files by Google. This is one of the safest cleaning apps you can use because it's made by Google itself. Once you open the app, tap Clean at the bottom. You'll see categories like temporary files, cache data, duplicate photos, blurry images, and even large files you might not need anymore. What makes it safe is that every suggestion comes with a preview. You can check each file before deleting it, so nothing important gets removed by accident. Files by Google is also great for users with older phones, because it works fast and doesn't consume much battery. Number 2. SD Maid SE. This one is perfect if you want a deeper clean. SD Maid SE scans hidden folders, leftover files from apps you uninstalled, temporary logs, and random junk that normal cleaners never find. The interface is simple. Just tap, scan, wait a few seconds, and then review the results. The best part? SD Maid SE does not touch your personal data, photos, or documents. It only removes truly useless files that apps leave behind. If you've ever installed and uninstalled a lot of apps, SD Maid can free up hundreds of megabytes instantly. Number 3. Avast Cleanup Free Version. Even the free version of Avast Cleanup is very powerful. It looks for things like hidden caches, old thumbnails, and used files, and temporary data. Avast also rates your apps based on how much storage and battery they consume. That means you can decide which apps are worth keeping and which ones you should uninstall. Plus, it gives you safe cleaning suggestions, so you're always in control. Now, before you start cleaning like crazy, here's one important tip. Always use cleaning apps that allow manual review. That's the difference between a safe cleaner and an aggressive one that deletes your data automatically. All 3 apps I showed you today give you full control. Nothing disappears unless you confirm it. So, let's recap. Files by Google for everyday cleaning, SD Maid SE for deep cleaning, and Avast Cleanup for intelligent cleaning and storage insights. Try these 3 apps and your phone will feel lighter, faster, and smoother without any risk. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.